Yo, what up? We're back. Another day, another video. Bro, I don't know what is wrong with you guys, but like, bro, what the hell is going on? 118, 400 views on this video? I have been getting comments like crazy as well, like, and likes and all kind of stuff. Like, you guys are absolutely amazing. Like, look at this shit, man. This is more than I could ever ask for. Honestly, thank you so much. Like, you guys don't know just how much this means to me. So, yeah, thank you a lot. This has been amazing. And hopefully, this will be just the beginning of something better. All right, so let's get to programming, shall we? All right, so project, C projects. So, yesterday I worked a little bit on this sort of reset function that would pretty much just reset both the pad of the ball to a default position if a goal was scored like this. But then it just sort of makes everything a little messy. So there's definitely some tweaking still need to be done. So, you know, what if actually I put this here so that I have two and then it just makes the weight a little bit bigger. All right, let's see how it goes. That was well. That is a crazy thing. Right. So clearly, there's not like a wise choice. Right. Let's see how this one goes. Boom. Right. Let me just pull this up. Okay. Two, and then it just stays there. Huh. Race update. I have so many cables around here. Fuck. All right. Out. What do you need? What do I need? Throwing the ball, doing this, and then yeah, pretty much just that's just what I'm doing. What if I just don't feel like at all? Like it just goes straight back into the main loop. Would that have a bit of an impact as well? Okay, it does seem to work pretty damn well. I don't know about you, but that actually okay. I need to change that for sure. Yeah, and then it just goes back. Okay. Okay, so let me do shit I want to do. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna be done with this. Is this ball? This is what the margin is? Yes. All right. What if I set the margin to something like a 75? Want to know just how much of a difference that would make in terms of the whole collision. Okay, it still does produce that kind of okay, that is a good bounce actually. Still has that. I mean, I guess 0.15 pixels is not really that much of a difference, right? What if I did something like I did not start out again. Margin. If I did something like I don't know, 2.5 pixels margin, would that be catastrophic or not? What would that be? What would that be? Oh, where's my? Okay, here it is. Right. Okay. Yeah, it's still pretty noticeable, honestly. Like there's still a couple of good bounces, but even then, like that is definitely smaller than before. But I don't know if a reasonable amount smaller or I'm comfortable doing that. But hey. Um okay, I'm just checking something, guys. Alright. So, let's see about this. What if I increased it to that? Alright. Okay, that was a good one. Okay, that was a really good one as well. Okay, I'm actually quite happy with the result of that one. Okay, that was a bit weird for sure, but okay, my man still lost again. All right, I think this is enough. Let's just go back here. Actually, let me do this. Finish margin value for more, I guess, realistic reason. Okay, first margin. All right. Okay, so that is pretty damn good. What else? What else? What else? I can just get rid of this. Then, what about this? Goal score equals 1. Then I need to, yeah, goals is scored. Is goal scored. Alright, I'm gonna go actually back into game. Goal is scored should return this. Goal for player 1. Then I'm gonna have something like, actually, yeah, I need to return 1 actually. So yeah, total goals, well, scored actually. Scored, it would be, okay. Um, Goals player 1. Goals player 2. Okay. Maybe in this project I will go around. So what was this? What was this? It did not do anything. All right, that's great. That's That's great, you know? Why do you not do that? You're supposed to be doing that. Awful player. Oh, shoot. Maybe that's what was happening. Right. Boom. Okay. Awful player one. Yo. Okay, I think I need to for sure change the value here. Is there something? Do I have a constructor for game? Game, new game, player two. Yes. Okay, so in constructor of game, most players one. Oh, yeah, two. Okay, this should be fixed now. Okay, 0-1. All right, boom. Yo, what is that? What is that? What is that? What is that? That's hella weird. Okay, 1-1. I sort of like a weird bounce. But anyways, boom. All right. I think I'd also okay, see for example that should have been a bounce, but okay. And that just bounces normally, alright, alright, alright. Everything seems to sort of be working normal. Good. We commit M, sort of I guess fixed a little bit. Do reset game function and print in score. Alright. So maybe I don't know. What do I need to change as well? Maybe you start thinking about maybe increasing the speed of the ball as the time goes by if there has not been a change in the score, I guess. You know, you know what I'm saying? All right. Um, I start working on it. This can go, and then this can come in, and then if void freeze speed, which I don't think it has to take any parameter, but I might be a little crazy. It does. Actually, it does. Has to take config. All right. So, whoops, boat game increase ball speed, which states config. Right. Then I guess I have to say if. Yeah, but I need to track. difference in that. Um, 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 um. How would I do this? How would I do this? So as time goes on, I guess. I guess it could be like a timer where I check the timer, and if the timer has passed and a goal has not been scored, work with that timer. If the timer um gets to 0 and a goal has not scored yet, freeze the ball spin. All right, all right, all right. That's good. That's good. That's good. But shit, I don't with the timer thing. Fuck. I didn't think I needed it. Okay. Okay. Well, timer is gonna be a struggle. I don't give a damn. HPP. Yes. Go into timer. We say if def timer HPP. Okay. Weird. Fine. Fine timer HPP. Whoops. And if then I can do type def struct timer where I have a short value, a short basic value, enable activate. Okay, I guess that would be sort of it. But I do need to keep track of this timer. Somehow. So I guess it could be a timer assigned to the game. I guess. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do actually. So this is here. I guess I could implement those functions here, but at the same time, I don't want to do them. So what's happening right now? I don't really know. I have to include timer.hp. I don't know why that happened. Timer.hp. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Timer.hp. All right. Timer. Okay. So then I need a couple more things. What do I need? I need to implement the timer functions. I'm just gonna get rid of this so that it doesn't throw out an error. I'm gonna do timer.hpp. Boom. Or it's timer. This is not what I wanted. This perfect. I'm gonna include the IO string, and I'm gonna include header timer. Right. So I'm gonna need a bool check timer. That is gonna require a pointer to a timer. Sorry, timer. Define in header file. Alright. So then I also need to go here, go here. All right, where's this? Where's this? Here it is. Okay, so if timer dot value, okay, value equals 0, then activate timer activated string and then return timer, I guess, activated. I guess return true. Okay. Else, I need to reset actually. Timer dot value equals timer dot reset value, and then you return true. Else timer value minus minus. Okay. Else you return false, and you return false here. All right. What is this? 21 minutes. I think I'm gonna be leaving it for today because it's getting quite late, and I have got. Why are you not letting me close this? Thank you. And I have got uni tomorrow, and I don't want to lose too much sleep. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. Git commit m implemented timers back again. I am stupid. Like Charlotte Clark. I am stupid. Okay, so git push origin main. Boom, boom, boom. Alright, this is good. You can hear. I'm doing the starting bug again. Okay, so that would be pretty much everything. Sorry, but Tuesdays are usually my busiest day because I have to do things in the morning and in the afternoon as well. So I get home at like 10 p.m. and I have to, shower, dinner, and all that, and just get things ready, and then I can start programming. So yeah, it's a bit of a problem, but yeah, hopefully you guys don't mind that much. See you tomorrow. Boom.